Hello friends, this is Keshav here and welcome all of you. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, I hope you have seen my last two videos of coding and decoding questions, very basic questions I discussed in the previous videos. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some moderate level questions which you can expect in the insurance mains paper or IBPS, RRBPO mains or IBPS clerk mains paper. So the on these examinations 5 marks questions will come. So let's start how to solve these questions and how to score 5 out of 5 marks. So first of all, to start the questions, read the directions. What are the directions given? Okay, so in the questions it is given in each of the following below. Okay, in each of the following below is given a group of letters followed by three combinations of letters and symbols. Okay, either it will be letters or some symbols. Okay, you have find out which of the combinations correctly represent a group of letters based on the following coding system and mark the number of that combination as the answer. Okay, you have to mark it as the answer. If none of the given combination is correctly, then you have to mark none of these as the answer. Okay, so what is letter or number is given. Okay, in the question either it will be letter alphabets or it will be the numbers. Okay, you can see here number and alphabets combination is given and it will be coded by these symbols. Okay, now after that three condition is given. First condition is saying that if more than two vowels, so you guys you have to read the condition very carefully and very slowly. Okay, you have to understand it in one reading only. You have to understand and you have to fit in your mind that what are the condition is given. Okay, you don't have to read the conditions again and again. It will take your time and you will waste your time in that readings. Okay, now what are the first condition is given. If more than two vowels are in the group, then code will be of all the vowels will be represented as a dollar sign. Okay, second condition is given. If second element is even digit, okay, then the code of the first element, whatever the code of the first element in the question, will be same as the code of the last element. Okay, now third condition is given. If only one consonant is in the group. Okay, if only one consonant will be in the group, then I hope you know what is the consonant and what is the vowel. Okay, so if only one consonant will be given, then the code of the consonant will be same as the code of the second last element. Whatever the code of the second last element will be, that will be also the code of the consonant. That is the question is saying. Okay, now here it is what important information is given, that is more than one condition can be applied on a group of letters. You have to read this condition also. Okay, you don't have to skip these conditions only. If now what if come to the question. First question is given. What would be the code of the element ZAP4F? Okay, so what will be the code? So first, what is the code of Z? So in this table, find what is the code of Z. So code is represented by the symbol hash. Okay, so hash. Okay, now again code of A is this one, exclamation mark. P will be coded as a person, this symbol. Okay, now 4 will be coded as the ampersand sign. Here you can see ampersand sign. Now F will be coded as a bracket here. Okay, now opening bracket. Okay, now come to the condition saying if more than two vowels, see here two vowels is given, more than two vowels no, only one vowel is given, that is A. Okay, so condition A will not apply. Now come to the condition 2. If second element is even digit, now tell me the second element is even digit. No, second element is what? It is the vowels. Okay, so second condition 2 will not apply. Okay, now come to the condition 3. If only one consonant is in the group, tell me only one consonant is in the group. No, because why? Because there are three consonants. Which consonant is that? Z, P and F. There are three consonant isn't given, so all these three condition will not apply in this question. So our answer, our final answer will be this one. Okay, so if you will see the options, these options in the answer, so you have to apply tick mark as this the answer. Okay, now come to the second question. So this is our second question, 14C03. Okay, now what is the code of one? Code of one, here you can see that is the code of one, dollar. Okay, code of one will be dollar. Okay, now what is the code of 4? Code of 4 is ampersand here, ampersand. Now what is the code of C? C will be the closing bracket. Okay, now what is the code of 0? 0 is opening bracket here. Okay, now what is the code of 3? So code of 3, here you can see that code of the 3 is less than mark. Okay, so this is the code. Now come to the condition or come to all the conditions. Tell me there are more than two vowels. No, only one vowel is there, so there is no vowels in the group. Okay, so condition A will not, condition 1 will not apply. Condition 2, second element is even digit. Yes, second element is even digit. Here you can see second element is what, 4. So what is the second condition saying? If the second element is even digit, then the code of first element, code of the first element will be the code of the last element. So what is the code of the first element? This one is the code of the first element. So this code will be replaced by this, the last code. Okay, so the code of the first element will be this one. Okay, now again come to the condition 3. If only one consonant is in the group, yes, only one consonant is in the group, that is C. So only C is there, so there is only one condition, then the code of the consonant will be same as the code of the second last element. So which one is the code of the consonant? So code of the consonant, this is the code of the consonant. So the code of the consonant will be the code of the second last element. So this is the second last element. So this code, this will be represented, this will be replaced by the code of this. So okay, so our final answer will be what? Our final answer will be this one, then ampersand sign, then this code, this symbol, then again this symbol, and this one. Okay, so here you can see the code of the first element is the same as the code of the last element, and code of the consonant is the same as the code of the second last element. So this will be our final answer. Okay, so I hope you understood. If you haven't understood how I get these answers, please go back and watch it again. Okay, now let's see, come to the next question. Now Z U A F O. Okay, so what is the code of G? So what code of Z? G is this one, at the rate. Okay, at the rate is the code of G. Now U, what is the code of U? Question mark. Okay, now what is the code of A? Exclamation mark. Okay, F, what is the code of F? Opening bracket. Okay, and O is a star mark. Okay, so first condition, if more than two vowels, yes, there are more than two vowels. Yes, there are more than two vowels. Which one? U, A, and O. There are more than two vowels. So all the vowels will be replaced by dollar mark. So which one is the coder? This one is the code of vowels. So this one will be replaced by dollar mark. This is the code of vowels. So this one will be replaced by dollar mark. And this is the code of O. So this, which is vowel. So this one will also be replaced by dollar mark. Okay, fine. Now what is the code of, now second condition, if second element is even digit? No, second element is not an even digit. So it will be replaced, it will be not applied here. Now condition 3, if only one consonant is in the group, yes or no? No, there are two consonants. Which one? This one and this one. There are two consonants in the group. So condition 3 will also not apply here. So what will be our final answer? Our final answer will be at the rate dollar. Why it will be dollar? Because there are more than two vowels. So this one will also dollar. Then after that this symbol. Then after that this symbol. So our final answer will be this one. Okay. Now come to the fourth question. So what is the code of Z, T, P, F, and phi? So what will be the code? What is the code of G? So code of G is what? At the rate. Okay. What is the code of T? Code of T is what? Percentage. Okay. What is the code of P? You can see here what is the code of P. So code of P. So P will be represented by this symbol. Now F will be represented by this symbol. Okay. Phi will be represented by this symbol. Okay, here you can see that it is repeated. Okay, so make this one as a, make this code as this bracket. Okay guys, make this code as a this bracket. Okay, it is repeated. Okay, so code of phi will be this one. Okay, now come to the condition, all the condition 1, if more than two vowels, no, more than two, no, there is not any single vowel, so condition 1 will not be applied here. Condition 2, if second element is even digit, no, second element is not an even digit. If only one consonant, no, there are more than one consonant is in the group. So our final answer will be this one. Guys, this is my mistake, I haven't seen it properly. So in the question guys, no symbol will be repeated. Okay, only one symbol will be there. Okay, so I have marked 5 as this bracket, big bracket. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 will be what? C4UPG. Okay, C. What is the code of the C? C will be coded as this symbol. Okay, fine. 4. You can see 4 is the second element. 4 is the second element. So the first element will be replaced by the last element. Okay, what is the? So first of all, just write all the code. 4 will be represented by this symbol ampersand. Okay, now U will be represented by the question mark. Okay, now P P will be represented by this symbol. Now G will be represented by this symbol at the rate. Okay. Now here you can see more than two vowels is there? No, only one vowel is there, that is U. And second element is even digit. Yes, second element is even digit. So the first element will be the same as the code of the last. What is the code of the last element? So this is the code of the last element. So second element, first element will also be the code of also the code of last element. So it will also be represented by this symbol. Now only one consonant is in there. According to the third condition, no, there are more than one consonant is in the group. So our final answer will be what? At the rate. Why? Because the second element is the even digit. So code of the first element will be the code of the last element. So that's why it's represented by at the rate, then ampersand, then question mark, then this symbol, and then again at the rate. Here you can see the code of the first and the last element is same. I hope you enjoyed this session and it will be helpful for you in the exam. If you have any question, guys, please ask me in the comment section or on my Telegram channel. If you like this session, guys, please do subscribe and hit the like button. I'll be back again with the new question. Till then, guys, keep practicing, stay healthy and stay safe.